everybody, Mrs. E here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get to our classes. We are going to start in Schoology because that's how we're going to get to all of our classes right now. And in the corner you're going to see a little S, and that will take you to your home page. I'm going to click the S to go home. Now my home is going to look different than yours, and that's okay. Over here you're going to see all your upcoming assignments. One of those assignments should be a music lesson 1. You can click there to get to the lesson, that's one way, or you can scroll down and find your class. You know it is the music class because it says music and it has 2 notes over here. Let's say that I'm going to pretend that I'm a 3rd grader in Mrs. Zimmerman's class. So I will click 3Z Music. That will take me to my class. Right here, you will see my office hours, which is every day from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. If you click that, that will bring you to a link that will bring you to my WebEx. Below my office hours is Music Lesson 1. We're going to click Music Lesson 1. Then you will see Music Lesson 1. It's an assignment, so it has a paper and a pencil on it. I'm going to click that. Click the music notes below to start your lesson. Well, that's easy enough. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Lesson 1. Music notes. Click. This is going to take me to a tool called Nearpod. It's very fancy. It's a silly name, but who cares? It works. Welcome to your lesson. You will need to type in your name. I'm going to type in Mrs. E. Then I'm going to click Join Lesson. There's a welcome video. You can watch that by clicking the red play button. To go to the next page, I will click the white triangle that is pointing to my right. Walk through, that's what we're doing right now, so I'm going to skip to the next page. And it's going to be an open-ended question. It says, what are your favorite things right now? Movies, books, games, whatever you would like to share. You can also press this blue triangle to hear me read it to you. So if there's a word you're not sure about, you can press this triangle to hear the question.
What are your favorite things right now?
Then I have 2 options. I can type in my answer, or I can click Record Audio. If I decide to type in my answer, I just type it in. I really like Star Wars. We watched all the movies over the summer. I was so excited. Star Wars is so cool, you guys. If I don't want to type, I don't want to type. I want to record instead. I will press the Record Audio button. It's red and it has a microphone. Then you can see down here, you can see the sound waves. So it's recording what I'm saying right now. I really like Star Wars. I'm done. So now I'm going to click the red square. And then you can see that I have my answer right here. I'm going to click Submit. Submit is very important. I won't get your answer if you don't click Submit. It does nothing. So please, 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 please click submit. Takes me to the next, which is going to be practicing a quiz. Who is your music teacher? Again, this little blue triangle means that if I want to, I can listen to that question being read to me.
Who is your music teacher?
A, Mr. Incredible, B, Mrs. E, C, Frosting, or D, Santa. I'm sorry to tell you that Santa is not your music teacher. It is Mrs. E. So I'm going to click Mrs. E. Then I'm going to click the all-important submit button. Submit. It's very important. Have I mentioned that it's important? Because it is. Oh, yay, I got 100% correct because I'm a genius. Click the next button. Match frosting, noodle, and catfish to pictures of themselves. This is kind of in my way right now, so I'm going to click this little arrow to make my instructions go up. And if I forgot what I'm supposed to do and I want them to go down again, I just click the arrow again. But it's in my way, so goodbye. Okay, here's Frosting. He's being silly on a walk, so I'm going to match him to the frosting. Yeah. Here is Catfish. He is being lazy and sleeping in a box, as per usual. And I will select the two of them. And then here is Noodle. He is waiting, probably to try to steal some food. I will click those, and it says, well done. And then I will go to the next page. This says, draw your favorite animal. Once again, if I want, I can have it read to me.
Draw your favorite animal.
Click up so that goes away. I am going to draw my favorite animal, which is a cat. If it's not perfect, because this is totally not perfect, that is totally okay. It is absolutely all right if your picture's not perfect. Then I want to write cat, because that's what it is. And then here's the all-important button, submit. The last question is there anything else about you that you would like me to know? There's a little blue triangle here, which means that I can listen to it.
Is there anything else about you that you would like me to know? Is there anything going on in your life?
You can type your answer, or you can go down and record your answer. I'm going to type my answer this time. And I think it's really important for you to know that I really like sushi. This is your last chance to let me know whatever you want. If there's something really important going on in your life, if you just got a new pet, or something cool is happening with your family, or you found something new and cool, please let me know. I want to know those things because I want to get to know you. When I'm done, guess what I'm gonna hit? The submit button. Click submit. Click it. Click submit. Submit. Okay, now it says the end. You made it. Music time is 30 minutes. If you have any time left, spend it exploring Chrome Music Lab on the next page. So if you have some music time left, you can go to the next page, which will open Chrome Music Lab, and I can go ahead and explore whatever I want to explore on Chrome Music Lab. And that's it. That's the whole lesson. I am so excited to hear from you guys. Have a lot of fun. I will see you soon. Bye.